What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be opening up a package that was just delivered to me. So if you want to see what's inside the package, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright guys, the package that I have is right here, behind me right here. I was not expecting this package. It just came in today. Oh, dang. I got to cut that part out. It just came to me today, and upon looking at it, it says Fresh Vibes Apparel. So I know this one is from my homie Rob Beats over at his channel, Rob Beats, and he does the daily grind t-shirt videos. So I appreciate that, Rob. Good looking out for you, girl. So right here I got the package from Rob, and if y'all have not subscribed to Rob, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and go over and subscribe to him, because he does a lot of t-shirt content. You can learn a lot from him, and he has some awesome videos, so y'all make sure y'all check that out. So all right, let me go ahead and open this up so that I can see what it is. I kind of think I know what it is, but I'm opening it up for you guys. All right, let me see. All right, let me see. Go ahead and open the bottom of this up. Half of that was done off camera, my bad. Let me move these boxes over here. Alright, so right here you guys see some PM tape, and this is actually dual tack pallet tape, which is awesome because you don't have to use the spray adhesive or any type of adhesive actually. So yeah, that's what this is. You put it on your pallet to keep your pallet protected from all the inks and stuff like that, and because you don't have to use any adhesive on it, you don't get your press all messy and stuff like that. But right here, it's the 380 dual tack pallet tape right here is what you guys are looking at. So I appreciate you, Rob, for sending me out this PMI pallet tape. So what I will do as soon as I get a chance, I will be, well, the pallet tape that I have right now, y'all, look, any other time my pallet tape would be so nasty, but look, your girl just replaced her pallet tape right there. As you guys see, it's not much going on with the pallet tape, but as soon as I do mess that up, I will be replacing it with the PMI pallet tape so that I can give you guys a good review. And there's somebody pulling up outside. I don't know if it's a customer for me or next door, or if they confused. I don't know. But I do appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate you, Rod, for looking out for your girl, sending me some of this pallet tape. And I will be doing a review as soon as I can. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subscribed to the green and the red channel, go ahead and do so. And then hit that notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any of my future videos. And follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick Join that Facebook group, Prince Squad. And I will see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.